All right, I've been working on this little treasure chest here in Fusion. I'm gonna try and cut it out and see if everything fits together. Probably won't, but we can try. So I'm not really happy with this wood grain here. So I think I'm gonna try to engrave it instead of just cutting through. See how that looks. Yeah, I think that's looking much better. I'm gonna try and put the top together, see what happens. Okay, so I've tested it. Everything seems to be going together fine. So what I'm gonna do is stain it before I actually put everything together. Okay, all the pieces are stained and wiped down. I'm gonna let it sit for a few hours, maybe overnight. And tomorrow we can put it all together. All right, these are looking dry enough, so let's put it together. These little latches meet where the lid shuts, like this. So I'm gonna put some magnets in each one where they meet. These magnets are small, but they're mighty. Gotta keep them separated. All these pieces look kind of confusing, but they're all pretty much the same size, so it's kind of hard to screw it up. Okay, there's all the pieces, so let's do a twirl. All right, that's the build. You can get these files for free for a limited time at cuttingpaths.com. Cutting Paths is actually my site. I built it to be kind of like Thingiverse, but for laser cutting files. So if you have some files to share, check it out. Upload some stuff, download some stuff. You can comment, review, post makes, all that fun stuff. And that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.